In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Magic Expand in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Once you're inside Canva, start with a blank canvas open on your screen so you're ready to begin editing. The first thing you need to do is add the image you want to expand. You can use photos that are already available inside Canva, or you can upload your own image from your device. If you want to upload your own image, go to the left sidebar and click on the Uploads tab. After that, click the Upload Files button and choose the image you want to use from your computer. Give Canva a moment to finish the upload. Once the image appears in the Upload section, click on it to place it onto your canvas. Now click directly on the image on your canvas so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the purple outline around the image. That means it's ready to be edited. Next, move to the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. This opens the editing panel on the left side of the screen. At the top of that panel, you'll find the Magic Studio section, and inside that section, you'll see the Magic Expand feature. Keep in mind that Magic Expand is part of Canva Pro, so you'll need a Pro account to access and use this tool. Go ahead and click on Magic Expand. Canva will now show you several options for expanding your image. One of the options is Freeform. This allows you to manually adjust the size by dragging the handles around the image to control the width and height however you want. There's also a Fill the Whole Page option if you want the image to extend across the entire canvas automatically. Along with those choices, you'll also see several preset size options that you can select depending on the layout you want for your design. Choose whichever option fits your project best. After selecting the size you want, click on Magic Expand. Canva will begin generating 4 different expanded versions of your image. Take some time to look through the results and choose the version that works best for your design. If none of the generated versions look right, click on Generate New Results to have Canva create another set of 4 options. You can continue generating new versions until you find one that matches the look you want for your image. And that's how to use Magic Expand in Canva. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave your thoughts or suggestions in the comments below.